friends, it's Mrs. Mick. I wanted to show you today some of the seeds that I have at my house. Some of these seeds I have started to grow already, and they are growing right now in my house. I sprouted them from being little tiny seeds, and now they're what we call seedlings, or they're starting to become small little plants. And I wanted to show you about some different kinds of vegetables and flowers that I have growing in my house right now. And then I want to talk to you a little bit about your seeds that are in your packet and what I want you to do with them. The first seed that I have is a pepper. It's actually called a sweet pepper, and you can see right here it is very, very tiny. If you cut open a pepper, you will see the seeds inside it. The next one says squash, black beauty zucchini, and you can see that this seed is a little bit bigger. If you would cut open a zucchini, you would see that seed inside there too. The next one are peas. Do you like to eat peas? I think that the seed looks a lot like the pea you would eat. It's just a little bit more dry right now. But we do eat the seeds inside peas. If you would cut open some peas, you would see the seeds. And that's also how you can grow them once you plant them in the ground. Now here are some green beans. These green beans look just like the ones in your packet. They're down here. Now these green beans are kind of brown. They have light brown and dark brown on them. I want you to touch and feel how smooth the green beans are inside your packet. Also inside your packet is the sweet corn. Now these, look down here, they look a little bit like some popcorn kernels that you may see when you're making popcorn. So we're also going to plant those in just a little bit. Touch and feel how those feel too. Here is a different kind of bean. This one's called a wax bean. It's kind of hard to see in the video, but this one almost looks purple when you plant it. And here's a flower. It's a sunflower. It's a really pretty one. Now this sunflower is going to grow to be about 5 or 6 feet tall. And there's the seed down there. And these are my little tiny tomatoes that I planted. They're called Super Sweet 100 Hybrid. And this seed is so tiny, right there. But when you plant the seeds, it grows and it makes so many different tomatoes. Now this is what I want you to do with your packet, and with the seeds in your packet. There are 4 cotton balls in there. I want you to get them wet with some water and squeeze out the water a little bit. You still want the cotton balls to be kind of damp. And put the cotton balls inside your bag and put a seed on each one of the cotton balls. We have our bean seeds over here and our corn seeds right here. Then I want you to draw a picture. I want you to show me what they look like when you put the seeds inside the packet. Save that picture, and then when your seeds start to come out, I want you to draw me another picture. And then when they get big enough for you to put them into the dirt, I want you to draw another picture then too, and we'll see how it grows and changes. I have some seeds that are already starting to grow inside my house. This is just a mix of things right here. There are tomatoes and peppers in here. You can see they're pretty kind of tiny still. These over here are actually some flower plants. We'll see what they do. They are some black-eyed Susans. And over here we have some tomatoes and some peppers. You can see they're kind of tiny still. That's why they're inside the house, and they are still growing. Now the ones right next to them have gotten really big. These are the bean plants. And in one of our stories, you will learn that bean plants have heart-shaped leaves, just like that. And over here we have some peas, and we have more tomatoes over here. See, they're really starting to grow. There's actually some flowers in here called zinnia. This one over here is a tomato. Actually, I should walk around to the other side of the table and we can see the names of the flowers a little better. Oh, I did have some broccoli in there. I don't know if that broccoli is going to make it. It's kind of wilted. So all kinds of things. Zinnia is a really pretty flower. These are some peas. I showed you some peas over there. Those are the same seeds that I used. The ones that say early girl, those are tomatoes. I have some herbs going down here, some thyme, basil, lots of tomatoes. Tomato seeds come up pretty easily in my house. So we got lots of tomatoes. Got some Brussels sprouts and some cauliflower back here. Some of my peas are hanging over into the cauliflower. This is a little tiny pepper plant. More peppers. More cauliflower. And then I have more beans over here. Now the beans that I have in my house are actually wax beans. Those are those yellow beans, and also the pole beans. And the pole beans want to grow on a pole. And if you see this one's gotten really, really tall. These really need to get outside pretty soon. It's not warm enough for them to go outside yet, but when they go outside, I have a special trellis that they will grow and climb up those, and we'll have some yummy green beans to eat. Well, I hope you have a lot of fun with the seeds in your house, watching them grow and change. And we'll watch our seeds grow and change too to different plants. So have fun and draw me some neat pictures of the seeds. See you soon.